Today, we'll be delving into the world of personal finance to answer a fundamental question that many of us encounter in our daily lives: what is a debit card? Whether you are a financial guru or just starting your financial journey, understanding how debit cards work is crucial in managing your money effectively. So, let's get started. 1. Introducing debit cards. Before we delve into the details, let's begin with a basic definition. A debit card is a plastic card issued by your bank or credit union, directly linked to your checking account. It allows you to access your funds and make purchases without carrying cash. Think of it as a digital alternative to traditional paper checks. 2. How does a debit card work? So, how does a debit card actually work? When you use your debit card for a purchase, the transaction amount is deducted directly from your checking account. This means you can only spend the money you have available in your account. It's like an electronic key to your bank account, giving you the convenience of making purchases without needing to visit a bank or an ATM. 3. PIN versus signature. When using your debit card, you'll typically have two options to complete a transaction: using a personal identification number, PIN, or providing your signature. Choosing between these options may depend on the retailer or your personal preference. Using a PIN offers an added layer of security as it verifies your identity, whereas signing a receipt can sometimes be quicker and more convenient. 4. Debit card versus credit card. Now, let's differentiate between a debit card and a credit card. The main distinction lies in where the money comes from. As we mentioned earlier, a debit card takes funds directly from your checking account. In contrast, a credit card allows you to borrow money from the credit card issuer up to a certain limit. With credit cards, you'll need to pay back the borrowed amount, usually with interest, whereas a debit card only uses your existing funds. 5. Benefits of using a debit card. Using a debit card has several advantages. First and foremost, it encourages responsible spending since you can only spend what's available in your account. It also eliminates the need to carry cash, making it a safer option for everyday transactions. Additionally, many banks offer fraud protection, so you won't be held liable for unauthorized transactions if you report them promptly. 6. Limitations of debit cards. Of course, debit cards also have some limitations. One important thing to note is that if your card information is stolen or compromised, it could directly impact the funds in your checking account. Unlike credit cards, which have a layer of separation, the money is taken from your account immediately when you use a debit card. 7. Tips for using a debit card wisely. To make the most of your debit card, here are some tips to keep in mind. First, always keep track of your transactions and regularly check your account balance to avoid overdrawing your account. Additionally, be cautious when using your card for online purchases and only provide your card details on secure websites. And finally, remember to notify your bank immediately if you lose your card or suspect any fraudulent activity. Conclusion. And there you have it, the ins and outs of debit cards. These little pieces of plastic have revolutionized the way we handle money, providing a convenient and secure means of making purchases. Just remember to use your debit card responsibly, keep an eye on your spending, and protect your card information. If you found this information helpful, we hope you'll consider subscribing to our channel for more financial tips and insights. Thank you for watching.